You know, we wouldn't have to have all this stuff here on the tables, these hearts and whatnot. Because Valentine's Day, all you have to do is look at folks' faces and figure it out. Now, the men, you can tell it's Valentine's Day because all the men look confused. They do. And the women, they look, well, the women, they got this look on their face, you know, it's kind of like when you go to pull your socks on, and one of them's kind of weight, and you don't quite know why. You know, it's kind of like, you know, like that. Well, you know, hey, puppies and children, they get you every time. Pull that sock on. Well, that's kind of how you can tell it's Valentine's Day. All you got to do is look at somebody's face. Women, the reason why men look confused is it's hard to figure out what to buy y'all. It is. I mean, y'all don't think the same way as a man does. Who would have thought? Who would have thought that a set of tires on Valentine's Day?
Amen, brother. Lord.
Cause such a ruckus on the day of love. I talk about it, but we're still kind of under a court order, so I can't say a whole lot. It wasn't a total lot, because them trucks sure look good on the truck, or the tires sure look good on the truck. Guns. Another bad thing to buy your wife. I bought my wife a hunt rifle one year.
I'll take it.
And she got the look. That's how I knew it. You know. And then she said, I should have known I was in trouble right from the look. Because then she said, well, at least you can do is show me how to load it. And I did. And when it went off, well, it's church, so I won't show you where the bullet went. But you can understand. And you see, man, let me give you a piece of advice. Women's like romance stuff. They're not like us. It's got to have something, has to do with the heart, don't it? Well, hon, I wanted to give you your Valentine's Day present tonight in front of all these good people so that they know how much I loved you. Now, I didn't write this. If I had, I'd take credit. But this man's heart, whoever wrote this, we stepped down the road together. Collards is green, my dog's name is Blue, and I'm so lucky to have a sweet thing like you. Your hair is like corn silk, a flapping in the breeze, softer than blues, but without all them fleas. You look like the bass, which excite me in May. You ain't got no scales, but I love you anyway. You're as fine as ochre, just a frying in the pan. You're as fragrant as cashews right out of the can. You have all your teeth, for which I am proud. I hold my head high when we're in a crowd. On special occasions, when you shake under your arms, this is special occasion.
Go ahead, brother.
On special occasions, when you shave under your arms, thank you, dear. I'm in hog heaven, awed by your charms. Still, them fellers at work, they all want to know what I did to deserve such a purty young doe. Like a good roll of duct tape, you're there for your man to patch up life's troubles and fix what you can. You're as cute as a June bug, a buzzing overhead. You ain't mean like them fire ants I found in my bed. Cut from the best cloth like a plaid flannel shirt. You spark up my life more than a fresh load of dirt. When you hold me real tight like a padded gun rack, my life is complete, ain't nothing I lack. Your complexion is perfection, like the best vinyl siding, despite all the years of rage it keeps hiding. Now, this next one, you gotta be from the South to understand. Says, me and you's like a moonlight with an RC cold drink. We goes together like a skunk goes with stank. Some men, they buy chocolate for Valentine's Day. They get it at Walmart. It's romantic that way. Some men get roses on that special day from the cooler up here at Russ's. That's impressive, I say. Some men buy fine diamonds from a flea market booth. Diamonds are forever, they explain suave and cool. But for this man, honey, these just won't do. 'Cause you're too special, you sweet thing, you. So I got you a gift without taste nor older. More useful than diamonds. It's a new trolling motor. There's a look. Walmart's open all night, ain't it? All right, well, I knew what the problem was when the food was late. I did. This song's going to demonstrate that. We up here in the north, sometimes we forget about Baptist traditions. There's a Baptist tradition that's time-honored and God-blessed, and we're going to sing about that tonight. Get it, Marlene. Okay. There's a table that's been already. I said get it, Marlene. I meant hit it. All right. There's a table that's been spread, and we're gonna break some bread. It's a fellowship dinner on the ground. Mashed potatoes and green beans, pies and cakes, lots of things. But there's one food that's nowhere to be found. The Baptist bird, fried golden brown. With a big glass of tea to wash it down. No meal is complete without this Baptist meat. Don't you dare take a seat, no Baptist bird. Now the deacons have all met, and the pastor, he's upset. There's a... Oh, okay, let's try it again. Sorry, preacher, you just distracted me. Now the deacons have all met, and the pastor, he's upset. Resignation is a possibility. The whole church is in a state of confusion and debate. It's a culinary sin tragedy. The Baptist bird, fried golden brown. We got gallons of tea, but no bird to wash down. Our meal is incomplete. No bird, go eat. Don't you dare take a seat, no Baptist bird. So there is an altar call birthday